Okay, the property that we are using here, the first one is commutative property, that is associative property, and this is also distributive property. Distributed 4 is distributed with 2 as well as with 4. You see here, so with 5, 4, 2, and 4, 5. So this is distributive property of multiplication over addition. 4 is all 6 is also distributed with 6 as well as 2. So 6 is distributed with 7 and 2. So this is also distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now moving to the next slide. Find each sum or product mentally. What is if there is addition, so add them mentally, not on pen pencil. Just do it orally. Its addition is what?
100.
100. And here multiply. 6 nines are, that is, or simply
54. 54.
65s are 45, 45 6 are. So you know, 2 45s are 90. This 6 5s and 9 5s are 45, and there are how many? No, multiply with 6. You know, that is 90 into 90 into 270 is the answer. Okay, that is 100 and that is 270. Now check.
Answer. सर की आवाज
सर।
नहीं है।
Yes. Hello. Are you
Sir,
here?
sir.
It was a
20.
network problem.
Okay. Sir, number second answer is 270.
270, yes. You can check it yourself. I did it roughly. So this is the third one. These two will give you 26 and 7. That is 37 and this 8. That is 43. So its answer is 43. And here 2 5s are 10. 10 10s are 100.
100.
Yes, sir. So these are the answers. You can take the screenshot.
Sir, what? Okay, 270.
Okay,
सर
done?
बस हमें स्क्रीनशॉट लेने की क्या जरूरत है? ये तो हमने बुक में कर लिया है ना।
गुड। जिसको जरूरत है तो वो, जिसको नहीं है तो बिल्कुल ना, क्योंकि आप लोगों का फोन भी भर गया है।
हाँ सर।
ओके, गुड। उमर सीधा बैठ। Okay.
सर बैठ गए।
Okay, this question number 7. Just we are doing it. A storekeepers buys 24 pens for 99 each. A storekeeper bought how many pens? 24, each of 99. Price of each and every pen is 99. A method for mentally multiplying this is to compute. It is this multiplication 24 and 99 is a bit difficult, but when you use the distributive property, this method, so this will be very easy. For example, when you are multiplying these two, so this is a bit difficult task. And what does it mean? It means just multiply 100 numbers. For example, each pen, suppose each pen costs, each pen price is 100. Then multiply 24. So you will get 2400. And this price is one less. One less mean हर एक पेन से one कम करे तो 24 कम करे इससे 24 minus करे. So this will when you okay.
2376 is the answer.
Yes. So here the distributive property is used. How it is used? Let me explain it. Okay. 24 and you wrote 100 minus 1. So is it okay? These two are same? These two are same?
Yes, sir.
Because this is 24 and this is 99, but we are using a distributive property. Just multiply these two, 24 and 100, then put this minus sign, 24 and 1. So your answer will be 2400 minus 24. So that will be 2376.
76.
Exactly.
Sir, should we write this in the book?
Yes, you can write. This is 24 multiply 1. Okay, got it?
Sir, wait.
Sir, you didn't send us lecture.
सर which one page?
Yes, जी.
हाँ सर एक लेक्चर यूट्यूब पे डाल
अभी आज वाला ही कर रहा हूँ. वो कल वाला
सर
जो-
आपने वो नहीं अपलोड किया था सर
क्या आंसर है?
मैंने नहीं है
कौन सा वाला? कल वाला.
सर ये नंबर 7 का क्या आंसर है? असल में मेरे नेट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम।
ओके ओके ओके
2376 आंसर है.
ओके ओके.
कहाँ पे? सर मुझे पता नहीं।
सर आज वाला भी सेंड करें और कल
let me take your attendance.
सर पहले मुझे विशाल ए I will tell tomorrow.
It is 6B and today's date is 21.
Yes, sir.
But yes.
सर आज इतने कम क्लासेस क्यों आए
जी
क्योंकि आज फ्राइडे है.
सिर्फ 3 क्लास आए
नहीं classes.
मतलब आज क्योंकि आज फ्राइडे है उमर.
How to resume this slide? मुझे वापस अपने स्लाइड पे जाना है तो कैसे जाऊं? वो स्टार्ट से नहीं.
स्टार्ट से नहीं तो सर आप स्लाइड शो पर गए.
स्लाइड शो यस.
सर दिख नहीं रहा. हाँ और फिर फ्रॉम करंट स्लाइड.
Where is this
ये
slide?
रहा सेकंड पर नंबर
Yes.
सेकंड.
ओके 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 ओके, यहाँ पे अभी मैंने डिस्टर्ब किया वरना ये होता था।
सर हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में 3 चैप्टर तो खत्म कर लेंगे।
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जी
सर
जी जी
सर
जी,
मैंने सुना है स्कूल खोलेंगे।
हाँ इस तरह सुना है लेकिन कंफर्म अभी नहीं है।
अच्छा
Okay, so that was question number. Let me clear the screen. Okay, how much time we have now?
Sir, we have 1 minute.
Sometime 1 minute only.
1 minute. Okay, I'm sending you the link if someone not having.
Of YouTube.
This is the link. Check it. Is it